Really, ma'am? Today's Children's Day. Suman, ma'am. Yes, today's Children's Day, yeah. Acha. Yeah. This is a special day for all of us. How can we forget that? But unfortunately, we are not physically together.
Yes.
But thank God, this virtual platform, literally, it has helped us a lot. This is the only source through which we can connect with our dear ones.
Yes, and that is idea.
Why don't we use this platform only for wishing them this year?
Yes, ma'am, you are right. We should do that.
Yes, we should go on then.
I also feel the same.
Dear children, today the school must have been resonating with your cheers and laughter, but we understand you are confined at home. But we mentors are here with full spirits and enthusiasm to make this day a memorable one, and also drenching people with heaps and loads of blessings, as we believe blessings have magical powers on them.
You have always made us feel special. Today is our turn, so we invite you to relish the sweet souvenir prepared by our mentors, putting us all together in the garland of love and gratitude. So, let's first seek the blessings and wishes from our school principal, Sister Kat.
14th November is a wonderful day when we get an opportunity to celebrate Children's Day. It reminds us of our childhood. The earth reveals its innocence through the smiles of children, as you are the best creation of God, devoid of malice, hatred, and jealousy. Jesus said, "Let the children come to me, for the kingdom of God belongs to them." Yes, you are precious. You are unique. You are beautiful and wonderful. Wishing you all, my loving students, a joyous Children's Day. Though the pandemic has distanced us from each other, you are all in our hearts. Dear children, when the institution took you in its embrace, it envisioned a dream for each one of you to chisel your persona to be a good human being, to be competent men and women of character, compassion, and commitment. Believing if everyone is moving together, then success takes care of itself. Yes, I do congratulate all our teachers and parents who try to plant the seeds of knowledge, joy, love, leadership qualities, and humility, and bring the best of your talents and abilities. So, dear students, be sincere, honest in your efforts to reach the goal. As you celebrate your day, remember those children who are deprived of education and the basic necessities of life, and you can be a light to them by helping them and motivating them. In the end, I pray to God the Almighty that soon everything may come to normalcy and this school resonates with your cheers. Children, we believe that you are the future of this country. So on this day, I wish my blossoms once again a very special Children's Day. God bless you all.
A very happy Children's Day. Dear children, on this special day, I wish you all to lead a very happy childhood. It is not just a celebration, but a manifestation of children's rights. Every child has right to be loved and cared for. Right to grow up in safe and secure environment. Right to be nourished and educated. Although compelled by this unprecedented situation, we are away from each other. Yet, we can send you our love-filled wishes and warmth of our hearts through this melodious song dedicated to all our dear children.
What a beautiful presentation that was, wasn't it? It has the perfect message for you. Childhood is all fun and frolic. It is full of energy. And we want you to remember that childhood is something that we always cherish. And we want you to remember, live your childhood to the fullest. And now, your dear teachers have some beautiful messages just for you.
Dear students, you all are the shining stars of the future. I pray that you achieve the best in your life.
प्यारे बच्चों, बचपन हमारे जीवन का सबसे सुंदर समय है। तो इस बचपन को खुलकर जियो, प्यारी और अच्छी यादें बनाओ।
जिस तरीके ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਇਹ ਗੁਲਾਬ ਦੇ ਫੁੱਲ ਖਿੜ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਜਗਤ ਰੂਪੀ ਫੁਲਵਾੜੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀ ਮਹਿਕ ਵੰਡ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ, ਉਸੇ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੇ ਮਾਤਾ-ਪਿਤਾ ਦੇ ਆਗਿਆਕਾਰੀ ਬੱਚੇ ਇੱਕ ਇਮਾਨਦਾਰ ਅਤੇ ਮਿਹਨਤੀ ਇਨਸਾਨ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਜਗਤ ਰੂਪੀ ਫੁਲਵਾੜੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਣੀਆਂ ਖੁਸ਼ਬੂਆਂ ਵੰਡੋ।
While we try to teach children all about life, children teach us what life is all about.
बच्चे मन के सच्चे। जी हाँ बच्चों, आप इस धरती पर ईश्वर की सबसे खूबसूरत रचना हो और इस बाल दिवस पर मेरी ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना है कि आप सदा खुश रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें।
ਬਾਲ ਦਿਵਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਸੂਰਜ ਦੇ ਵਾਂਗ ਚਮਕਣਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ, ਚੰਨ ਜਿਹਾ ਸ਼ੀਤਲ ਸੁਭਾਅ ਪਾਉਣਾ।
You all are budding stars. Keep shining. Stay happy. Spread happy.
आकाश में चांद सितारे हर लम्हे आपकी जिंदगी में प्यारे हो। अब माता पिता की आंखों के तारे और मेरे स्कूल के अभ्यास दिलाने।
Childhood is a happy place to be in. So enjoy your childhood days and make good memories.
बाल दिवस के इस शुभ अवसर पर आप सभी को मेरी तरफ से बाल दिवस की अनंत शुभकामनाएं।
Wish you success and happiness in your life. God bless you all.
बचपन है तो आस है, बचपन है तो विश्वास है। सच मानो बचपन ही इस जीवन का सबसे बड़ा प्यार है। तो इस जीवन को, इस बचपन को खूब जियो, हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो। शुभाशीष।
May the innocence of your smiles and the purity of your hearts stay forever.
मेरी भगवान से यही प्रार्थना है कि हम सब का मिलन प्रत्यक्ष रूप में जल्द हो। तब तक आप सब अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें और हंसते मुस्कुराते रहें।
May all your dreams come true and you succeed in your life.
My dream is to see your dreams come true. My dear shining stars, make us proud, make your teachers, your parents, and the school and the nation proud. Happy Children's Day.
Feel blissful and fortunate today as you are the bearer of priceless wishes, blessings, and unconditional love that your teachers have showered on you. Oh, next year.